elimination method. Now let us go into substitution method. Substitution method is saying that you make one of the letters, one of the unknown subject of the formula, and you substitute in the second equation. Now let's call this one equation 1. Let's call this one equation 1. Let's call the second one equation 2. Equation 2. And to use substitution method, you make one of the unknown, one of the variable, or one of the letters subject of the formula from equation 1 now. From equation 1, let us make s the subject of the formula. From there, s will be equals to 1 plus 2y. Then you substitute this in the second equation. Anywhere you see s in the second equation, you replace it with 1 plus 2y. Then in second equation now, 3s now will now be 3 into bracket 1 plus 2y, then minus y is equals to 14. Then you open the bracket. 3 times 1 will give you 3. 3 times 2y will give you 6y. Then minus y is equals to 14. From there, you collect the like times. 6y minus y will give us that should be 5y. Then you go to the other side. 14 that will be 14 minus 3, and 14 minus 3 will give us, and that will be 11. That will be 5y is equals to 11. And from there now, to get the value of y, you are going to divide both sides by 5. Therefore, y will be equals to 11 divided by 5. And 11 divided by 5 will give us 2.2. 2.2. And from there now, you will recall that we've already made s subject of the formula. That is, s is equals to 1 plus 2y. Then you substitute for the value of s. Then you now say s is equals to 1 plus 2 into bracket the value of y is 2.2. 2.2. Then by the time you open the bracket, then this will give you 1 plus 4.4, and the addition of these two will give you 5.4, which means that the value of s and y in this equation now would be s is 5.4, y is 2.2, and that is what we call simultaneous equation using substitution method using substitution method. Let us consider another example, that is example 2. We are given these two equations. Let's call the first one equation 1. Let's call the second one equation 2. And don't forget, substitution is to make one of the variable, one of the unknown subject of the formula from equation 1. You can use any from equation 1. Let us make s the subject of the formula. Then s is equals to 3 plus y. Then you plug in this in equation 2. Not the same equation, you use it in another equation. Put s is equal to 3 plus y in the second equation, and that will be 2 into bracket 3 plus y, then plus 3y is equal to 16. From there, you open the bracket, 2 times 3, 6, plus 2 times y, 2y, plus 3y is equal to 16. From there, you collect like times 2y plus 3y will give you 5y. Then you carry 6 to the other side, and that will be 16 minus 6. 16 minus 6 will give us 10. And from there, you have 5y is equal to 10. And in order to get the value of y, you divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 5. Then y is equal to 10 divided by 5. Y is equal to 10 divided by 5. And 10 divided by 5 will give us 2. And recall that we've already made s subject of the formula. And we said that s is equal to 3 plus y. Then you substitute for the value of y. Then s will be 3 plus y, and that will be 3 plus 2. And that would be 5. The values of s and y now would be 5 and 2. 5 and 2. And this is the solution to the problem. And this is how to solve simultaneous linear equation using elimination and substitution method. See you another time next class.